Hello friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. In this video we will discuss about the different subject channel and top 5 channel. So first category of the channel is the Taylor and Francis Online. So friends, if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe this channel and you will get the notification on daily basis and you will not lose the important information. So first category of the journal Taylor and Francis, and journal title name is the International Journal of the Computers and Application. So this journal is especially related to the computer science researchers and IT researchers, and general information is given here. So this journal published in both categories, print version and online version. And the frequency of the publication of the research article 8 issues per year, and this journal indexed in the many bodies. So as we always prefer Scopus category, so this journal comes under the category of the Scopus and many more indexing. And what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal? So here you will find out the aim and scope. So explore this section very carefully. In this section you will find out all the topics related to this particular journal. सो सारे रिसर्च एरियाज एंड टॉपिक्स आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएंगे जिसमें आप अपना रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. तो इस सेक्शन को बहुत केयरफुली आप देखिए, रीड आउट कीजिए. अगर आपका रिसर्च एरिया इन सभी टॉपिक से मैच करता है देन यू कैन पब्लिश योर रिसर्च पेपर in this particular journal. And journal instruction of for author, so here you will find out the guideline about the research paper or research article preparation. कैसे हम अपना रिसर्च पेपर रेडी करेंगे, कौन कौन सी गाइडलाइंस को हमें फॉलो करना है. सो ऑल द थिंग्स यू विल गेट हियर. And how will submit our research paper? So you can see here, this is the submission tab. So just click on this particular tab, so it will be redirected to the submission page. So this is how you can submit your research paper in this particular journal. Next category of the journal is the IJI publisher, and the journal title is IJCALLT. So this is the journal acronym, and the indexing of this journal is very important. So this journal, as you can see here, related to the SCI category, Web of Science, Emerging, and also Scopus category. So very good opportunity to publish your research paper in this category of the journal. And what types of the frequency and also the ISSN numbers? So as you can see here, this journal published quarterly, so within 3 months your research paper will get published here. And this journal published in both category, print version and also the online version. So it's up to you कि आप किस में अपना रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश करें, क्योंकि दोनों कैटेगरीज के लिए उसकी फ़ीस अलग अलग है. सो इट्स अप टू यू, जो भी आप डिसाइड करेंगे, चूज करेंगे, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको यू हैव टू पे. सो फीस इज आल्सो गिवन हियर एंड आल्सो हैविंग द 20% ऑफ ऑल publication. So grab this golden opportunity. एंड टॉपिक्स एंड टाइटल, कौन कौन से ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिसमें हम अपना रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश कर सकते. सो यू विल फाइंड आउट द description part and also the topics covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under this particular topics and title, then you can submit your research paper. So explore this journal very carefully and you have to follow the guidelines. So you have guidelines and general fee content, general guide, resources and publication resources, all the things are given here. So explore this journal very carefully. Next category of the journal is the Ender Science Publisher. So journal title is International Journal of Electronic Governance. This journal published in the open access category also and published in both category journal. First one is the print version and online version, and the publication frequency is very important. So this journal published 4 issues per year, and this journal is the referred journal. As you can see here, this section is the journal description. So this is the referred journal. And what types of the topics and title, कौन कौन से ऐसे topics हैं and titles हैं जिसमें आप अपना research paper submit कर सकते हैं. So these are the research areas that can be published by this particular journal. So अगर आपका research area इन सभी topics से match करता है then you can submit your research paper for the publication. So match these all the topics and title. If your research area match with this particular topics, then you can submit for the publication. And the publication charges, as you can see here, there is no publication charges for the research article. Next, indexing is the very important thing. So as you can see here, this journal comes under the category of the Scopus category, and also the many more indexing, and also the explore this particular thing. And if you want to know all the published articles, so just click on this particular browse issues. So here you will find all the published article in a quickly manner. And how we will prepare our research article, so just click on the for authors category. So here you will find out all the guidelines, कैसे हम अपना रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश करेंगे, रेडी करेंगे, प्रिपेयर करेंगे, कौन कौन से गाइडलाइंस हैं, कौन टेम्पलेट्स हैं, आपको यहाँ ऑथर सेक्शन में सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ द जर्नल इज द AAOE. So this is the publishers, and journal title is the Journal of Interactive Learning Research, JILR. ISSN number is also given here. This is the 4th rank journal ranking in learning researches. So about this section particular journal, so read out this section very carefully. Here you will find all the things that you are looking for, and indexing is very important thing. So as you can see here, indexing is also given here, scope and also all the things are given here. So you can see here, so Scopus category journal, and also the many more indexing. And if you want to know more about this journal in detail, so just click on the journal section, membership, all the things are given here. Next category of the journal is the JELK, Journal of E-Learning and Knowledge Society. This is also the Scopus category journal. So explore the journal very carefully. And about this journal, so you can see here, publish Scopus H index also the 15, and Microsoft Academic H index 15, and 25 Google Scholar H index, Scopus category, and so many things are given here. And if we will talk about the indexing, so as you can see here, indexed by the Scopus, SCI, so many indexing is. So this is a really very good indexing of this journal. So ISSN number of this journal is given here, and so click on the regular full issues, and also you can also explore the published articles. So here all the articles are given here. So just click on this particular any issue, so you can understand about the publication frequency. So this journal published 4 issues per year, means quarterly. So within 3 months your research paper will get published. So this is all the journal guidelines. So publisher is the Italian E-Learning Association, and ISSN number in both category, print version and also online version, and 4 monthly with regular and special issues. So that means your research paper will get published within 3 months. So explore this journal very carefully and grab this golden opportunity. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel for upcoming important videos. अगर आपको कोई भी चैनल एप्रोप्रिएट चैनल फाइंड आउट करने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है आपके रिसर्च टॉपिक पे, just ping me through the WhatsApp